Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I was unwell for many days, which is why I couldn't upload videos. You can tell by my voice too. From now on, I will try to upload videos daily. If you have any issues, please make sure to mention them in the comment box. Now we will go to our topics. So today we will discuss about advantage of polymorphism. In yesterday's class or the before classes, we have seen that loose coupling. If there is a loose coupling, then it is a polymorphism. So now we will see previous code to revise that. Now see here in these codes, polymorphism, tight coupling to loose coupling. If we are giving child type reference to child type object, then it is a tight coupling. So we are converting this tight coupling to parent type reference and child type object, that is loose coupling. So this is polymorphism. We achieved polymorphism. So now we will see how to advantage of polymorphism, that is code reusability, flexibility, reduction in complexity. So here we will take a class and the class name given as advantage of polymorphism. Inside this we will give a main method. We'll take a class. The class name I will give as a plane. Inside this plane we have three methods. I will write plane is takeoff, and the second method I will take fly. Inside this I will write plane is flying. Now the third method, land. Sorry, uh, plane is landing. So this is the three methods. Now we will take a child class. So child class is cargo plane extends plane. Inside this we will give three methods, fly, cargo plane is flying. Now void carry cargo. Inside this we write carry cargo plane is carrying cargo. So this is our two methods class. Now I will take a third, passenger plane extends plane. Here three method, that is two method, void fly, passenger plane is flying, and the second one I will take as void passenger plane carry passenger passenger plane is carrying passenger. So this is the two methods. Now, how this code is code reusability and the flexibility. So, in the previous code, in this code, we are writing in this code, we are making a reference plane and calling this CP its method, then PP, then this method. Now we will do write only one and it all the child can call its method like that. Okay. So here I will take a class airport. Inside this I will take a method. Method name is permit. Inside this I will give a reference of parent like plane. Plane is our parent, so I will give a plane and ref. Now I will call ref dot takeoff. So these are the three methods. Now we will call cargo plane C P is equal to new. Now we will make a object airport. A is equal to new airport. Now we will call a dot permit pp and the second one a dot permit pp. So why here it is showing error? So here we are getting output, it is showing error because here we have given the same name. In the different classes we have plane already there. So I have changed the name as plane 1 and the cargo plane 1. So I change the name. Now here we are creating a one class that is airport. Inside this we are taking a reference of plane and inside the reference like permit method we are taking these three methods which are present in our parent class. So we are taking these three methods which are present in the parent class. We can directly call it inside it, like we are creating two child class, cargo plane and passenger plane, and with the help of this airport class we are able to call these three method directly. We don't need to write these again and again. Like see, in the previous program there is two child, so we are writing this two times. Ref is equal to cp ref dot fly, then again pp, then ref dot fly. Like for two different child we have to write two fly, we are calling to fly. Okay, so here the advantage is that we are taking these three methods. Now after this I will take one more child, so we can directly call this a dot permit, like a dot permit and the pp. Now again we will write one more child, then a dot permit, means with the help of this one class we can call methods. So this is the advantage of polymorphism. Like code reusability means we can use that code again and again, flexibility is there, and reduction in complexity. So this is the advantage of polymorphism. In the next class we will see disadvantage of polymorphism. Thank you.